Previously on Geojerry's Adventures.
You guys, I think I found a refrigerator. Oh yeah, this is a twofer. That's right, a twofer. What do you mean a twofer? Let me show you. See that? That's a Munzie. Munzie. Geocache. Yes. Just got myself a twofer. Holy cow. You ready for this? Okay, right behind you is the most impressive thing you've ever seen, and we're gonna get closer, but let's check this out. Right there. That's it. That's the mountain we're going to. We'll check over here in just a minute. Hang on. All right, man. I just found myself a geocache. Found myself a Munzie. Here is the Toutle River. Probably one of the most famous rivers along the system. But so right over here, you can see the mountain, and then you'll see the river that was all washed out by Lahar. Here we go. Check it out. Holy cow. What do you guys see this? This is amazing. Amazing, I tell you. Amazing. Check it out. Ready? I don't know if you can handle this. Okay. That's Mount St. Helens right there. Down here is where all the Lahar came flowing through along the river here. The lateral blast blasted out this way. Vertical plume went up straight that way. Back over in the distance, you can see Mount Adams here. You see some backcountry back in there.
Mountain go boom boom. That's science for today.
All right, so this is where I used to work. Gosh, 14 years ago or so, I'd give presentations up in this building right here, which is now closed, and it's more an education center. It used to be more for the public, but now it's for more for school groups and stuff like that. You got Mount St. Helens right over here. You got the Toutle River coming down off of Mount St. Helens there. Down over here you have Coldwater Lake. It's a cool little place.
Vancouver, Vancouver, this is